As I decorated for Christmas this year, I came across bag after bag of pine cones. Mix up a solution of 2 parts water to 1 part bleach. Throw in all the pine cones. Make sure the water and bleach solution completely surrounds all sides of the pine cones. Place the cooling rack on top of the pine cones and weigh down with rocks. Place outside due to the fumes and leave for 24 hours. Then drain out the water and bleach and bring the pine cones inside. Place on a cookie sheet and put in a pre-warmed oven at 200 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. Take the pine cones out of the oven and leave them on your counter for a day or so. Now style in a small dough bowl, surround with bells, candles, twinkle lights, etc., and enjoy. We will be hanging the pine cones from their base for the project, so apply the snow text to their bottom like as if the snow had fallen on them while they were hanging. Sprinkle them with glitter of your choice and leave to dry for a few hours. Now tie a bow with the same ribbon or something that would coordinate nicely with the ribbon that it is hanging on, and glue to the bottom of the pine cone over the end of the hanging ribbon. Now hang at varying lengths from a chandelier. Decorate your table and enjoy. Pour the Epsom salts into your shallow container. Place all of your pine cones upright in the cardboard box. Spray a good covering of spray adhesive on all sides of the pine cones and then roll them in the Epsom salts. Set aside to dry for 6 hours or when not tacky. Tip the pine cones over and repeat both steps. Leave for 24 hours. Now take them out and display them in all sorts of pretty places, like on a silver tray or under a glass dome or on your mantle. I hope you enjoyed these projects and that they bring joy to your winter decorating. I would like to share with you a sweet little story of my 92-year-old mother who passed away a few months ago. This will be my first Christmas without her. She lived on an acreage with lots of big trees, and she loved to garden and be out in nature. In her later years, she had dementia, and each time I came to visit her, there, sitting beside the door, was another big bag of pine cones she had collected for me. So I thought I would do a few projects in memory of my mother.
To start this project, you'll need some pine cones, and then you're going to place them inside a baggie. Now you can use any shape or size pine cones you like for this project. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can do this method so you can choose the one that's right for you. If you wanted a more eco-friendly version, you didn't want to use the plastic bag, another option would be to use a plastic container, so maybe a Rubbermaid container or something like that, that you'd put them in and do the next step. For this next step, we'll be using cinnamon essential oils, and you can use any brand or kind that you like. Tipping the bag upright, I'm gonna open the essential oils and I'm just gonna put some drops in there. Now you can go as little or as many as you want. The more drops you use, the stronger the scent's going to be. Once you have all the drops in that you want, you're gonna go ahead and seal the bag. Now you're gonna wanna sit with them sealed in the bag for at least 24 hours and up to a week. The longer it stays sealed, the stronger the scent will be. Let's move on to option number 2, which is working with ground cinnamon instead of the essential oil. Now I've taken 3 pine cones for examples here. I've laid a piece of wax paper on top of a baking sheet. The first option is to use a spray adhesive, and you could do this in a baggie as well. So pile all of your pine cones in a baggie, use your spray adhesive, spray it onto your pine cone, then you'll take your cinnamon and sprinkle it on. As this dries, the cinnamon will stick to the pine cone and you'll have a beautiful cinnamon smell. Option number 2 is to use Mod Podge Ultra, which is also a spray-on. So we're all familiar with Mod Podge, and it's the same concept. So you just squirt on your Mod Podge, get it as coated as you want. Then again, using your cinnamon, sprinkle your cinnamon onto the Mod Podge Ultra. And then you'll let that dry completely. The third option we're gonna use Mod Podge or glue of your choice, and we're gonna paint onto the pine cone. So you're just gonna paint onto each of the little pine cone edges to get it coated as much or as little as you want. If you just wanna do the edges, you could definitely do that as well. But we'll go ahead and finish painting this and we'll talk about the next step. Now that it's all coated, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle the cinnamon onto this one. They do make glitter Mod Podge as well, so if you liked this for an idea, you could easily use this instead. Or after it dries, you could put a little of this on all the edges to give it a little shimmer. Now that they're dry, we're gonna go ahead and tap off the extra cinnamon off of the pine cones. Now, if you were at all worried that, there's just still some loose cinnamon on there and you just don't want that mess, you could easily go back with one of the adhesive sprays and spritz them to create more of a solid adhesion. And now those are gonna be ready to go. So now that the pine cones are all ready, let's go ahead and create a really easy display. Now I have this wrought iron based bowl, but you could use just any bowl of your choice, or even maybe a wicker basket or a farmhouse basket of your choice. I'll also be using these battery operated LED lights. And one of my favorite things about this set in particular is you have options for fading, flashing, or steady on, and it has a timer. So if I turn this timer on at 4 p.m., it'll run for about 6 to 8 hours, turn itself off, and the next day at 4 p.m., it'll turn itself back on. So I can hide this battery box into my display, and the lights will turn on and off on their own. So I'm going to go ahead and place my battery pack in the bottom, and then I'm going to start placing my cinnamon pine cones in. Now there's extra wire that I want to have hidden, so I'm going to go ahead and place that in the bottom. And then I'll continue to place my pine cones in. Once I kind of have a layer in there, I'm going to go ahead and take the lights and maneuver around the pine cones. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is place some more pine cones inside. And then I will go ahead and move the lights around the display again. Let's go ahead and dim the lights and see what these look like. I love the amazing pretty glow, but if you didn't want to use the lights, you could easily make this display without them. So see how easy that was? And that's not all you can do with these pine cones. You can easily place them on your mantle, create another type of centerpiece for your dining room or place in your home. You could also stack them in a cylinder vase with the lights or without, or maybe even battery operated tea light. You could put them inside a lantern. You could tie them together with a piece of twine and make a beautiful garland. You could hot glue them to a wreath form and make a pine cone wreath. So one thing I like to do with my pine cones when the season is done, whether you leave them up for fall all the way through the winter or not, but it's time to pack up your items and put them in your box. If you put these cinnamon pine cones in your box with your fall decor, next season when you open them up, you'll have a beautiful cinnamon smell. One more really easy idea for these is to tie a little twine, use them as an air freshener or a holiday ornament that smells amazing. So let's go ahead and take these into my home and get them on display. Here they are in my dining room on display. Love the centerpiece, how they turned out, and they smell amazing.
Grab some fresh greenery, cut a strip of fabric for some ribbon, trim the top of the greenery, and then place it on top of each other. Secure it together with jute, leaving a loop at the top. Fasten some pine cones to the greenery using hot glue. Use your fabric to tie a ribbon at the top and hang it on your door for some beautiful pine cone swag. Grab some pine cones, place some rocks in a planter or container, add in some greenery, place the pine cones on top, hot glue together to make them higher, add in some fairy lights, and you've got the most beautiful pine cone topiary. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you next time.